Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, here's up. My name is Caitlin, and today I'm super excited about this because this is a new launch and I think it's absolutely freaking adorable. And if you don't know what I'm already talking about, which you do based on the title, that is the Too Faced Pretty Puppy little mini palette. It is the freaking cutest thing ever. Like, look at this packaging. I did a full review on the last Clover palette, so of course I had to get my hands on this one because it's adorable. There are 6 shades in here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what the front of the box looks like. It has Clover, which is Jared's dog. It says Too Faced, and then down here it says Pretty Puppy and that little heart right there. And then the back looks like this, has the 6 shades and the names, and then the little Clover peeking out over there. And it says, inspired by our Too Faced mascot Clover, Jared and Jeremy's fur baby. Comes as cute as a puppy nose palette filled with 6 purely pigmented and easy to blend shadows with a mix of matte and metallic finishes that will have you looking positively fetching. That's cute. Positively. Spelled like paws, like dog paws. Get it? Anyway, so when you take it out, it looks like this. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's literally a little Clover head. Like, it's just, I can't. I have no words. If any of you are old enough to remember Polly Pockets, anybody? Maybe? I don't know. When I first opened this, that's immediately what my mind went to, was Polly Pockets. But yeah, opening it up, it does have a nice little mirror in there and 6 shades. They're triangular and they do smell like chocolate. I just got lipstick on there. That's cute. Okay, wiping that off. They have 3 matte, 2 metallic, and 1 shimmer. The shimmer is this chocolatey brown right here, and then this gold and this pink are the metallic, and then you have a cream color, a warm tone brown, and a cool tone brown. So it's not like super amazingly creative, wonderful colors, but it's great for on the go. It's for you neutral girls, dream come true. The one thing about this that bothers me is if you can see in the pink right there, a little spot, it kind of looks like it's been swatched to me almost, but I'm hoping I'm crazy and it's just like a reflection. I'm hoping that's not gonna, yeah, it's gonna cast a shadow. I'm filming at night, so I actually just have like a lamp here and down here, which is why that's like illuminated back there, trying to keep shadows away. So I'm sorry if it's not the greatest, but working all day makes it really hard to film during the day. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. I'm gonna keep looking down at this palette down here for the names. They are on the back of the palette, but it's in like this format, and I swear to you, I never know how to like coordinate the names. So I'm just gonna use this little cheat sheet over here. Oh, it looks like there's something. No, there's nothing in there. So we're gonna take a nice little fluffy brush, not that one, we'll use this guy right here. And I'm gonna start with this cream shade in the middle up top. That is called Bad to the Bone. Sorry, any other color palette? Pause. So this is the original Clover palette, which I did a video on, like I already said. Bad to the Bone. No, it's not in here. I don't know why that sounded so familiar to me, but it's not in there. So if you want to see a comparison of the shades, there is the full palette and there is the little mini guy. So definitely a lot more colors in the bigger Clover palette, obviously, but this guy's still cute. So we're just gonna take that what's it called? Bad to the Bone shade and put that all over the lid just to give us a nice base to work with. So it is pretty close to my skin color, so you're not gonna see like a lot of pigmentation right now, but I just want something close to my skin tone so that I can pack it all over the lid and give us a nice base to work with. Okay, using the same brush, I'm gonna pick up the cool tone brown, which is called Snuggle Time. That's cute. There's a little kickback, not a lot. And I'm just gonna put that right in the crease. Like so. Not super pigmented. Just gonna keep going with it. I'm probably gonna use maybe all the shades. I'm gonna try. Just so you guys can get like a feel, not a fill, a feel of what they all look like. Ooh, that is terrible lighting. Okay. Let's just like try to keep this over here, I guess. I still have that freaking like gross little scab thing on my eye. It's driving me nuts. I hope you guys can't like notice it all the time. All right, moving on. Let's pick up, trucks are annoying. Let's pick up a flatter brush. Let's go, not that one because I just threw it. Let's use this guy. And I'm gonna go into the gold shade called Vanity Fur. That's cute too. These names are so cute. I'm not gonna wet it. There is some kickback with this one, if you can see that. But not terrible. I'm not gonna wet it yet. We'll see how much pigmentation I get and then we'll go in with a wet brush. Yeah, that's really pretty. That's pretty. Starting over here on the same thing. Now I'm going to put some more on the brush and I'm going to wet it this time with some setting spray just to see how much better it does. Oh yeah, okay. That's where we want the pigmentation. So pretty. I really like that. You guys even see it with my wonderful lighting. Yeah, you can see it. Seriously, that's like so reflective. It's kind of like their shades from the chocolate gold palette. Very similar in texture and in pigmentation to those. Like, I look like a ghost right now. I just like, is that better or worse? I think it's better. The shade is so freaking pretty. Like, I can't. Oh my goodness. I can't with this lighting either. What happens if I... Ooh, is that gonna work? Too dark? I really should have all this figured out before I start filming. Let's go like that. I think that's good for now. Anyway, all right. So next I'm gonna play with this like darker brown, the matte color called Bow Wow. Whatever happened to little Bow Wow? Again, probably older than you guys. So I'm gonna put that in the outer corner and just work it into the crease. Also, this mirror is like perfect size. So we're going outer corner and staying in the crease just a little bit, not going too far in. That's really pretty. This palette's like super easy to blend. It's kind of effortless. Do have a little bit of fallout on my cheeks, nothing too bad. Just from this deeper shade here that I'm using currently called Bow Wow. It's the only one that's giving me actual fallout on my face. Oh, it's doing a decent amount of fallout. I'm gonna try to tap off the brush more. I want to keep this kind of rounded, not really like super pointy like I normally go. It's really pretty though. Yeah, you can see the fallout right there. I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush, kind of wipe that away a little bit. I'll just have to tie that in somehow to the bottom part for my face. Okay. Now, I want to use this pink, but I don't know how. Let's just play, and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner. The pink shade is called Puppy Nose. Cute. I'm just going to put it right in the inner corner. Okay, I'm going to try to put it in the inner corner. There we go. Okay, so it's like a very sheer pink. That's actually pretty in the inner corner. I like that. Okay. Same thing here. Yeah, that's cute. I like it. Alright, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to start with Bow Wow. That one gives a lot of kickback. Like, can you see that in the pan? Yeah, that's pretty bad. which I don't really like mind kickback. It's not a deal breaker for me, but if it's a deal breaker for you, that shade has a lot. The rest of the palette isn't too bad, but this one is just this one shade. So we're gonna just pull this down pretty far just to kind of like fix that mistake we made earlier over here with the fallout, like so. I'm gonna use a smaller brush, like a really small brush if I can find one here. Okay, we'll use this guy. It's just like a flat top little guy. And I'm gonna go in with that no, it's not metallic. It's a shimmer shade. It's called Heavy Petting, that brown shimmer. I'm just gonna put that really close to the lower lash line. Almost like an eyeliner. Just pretty much putting it actually in my lashes. Like so. That's pretty. Just to give it a little extra. I don't love how far down I had to drag that shadow because I feel like it kind of looks like I got punched a little bit. And I do wish this had a brow bone highlight shade in it, but other than that, I have no complaints. I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara real quick. Using the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I love this mascara. I should have used Too Faced Better Than Sex. What am I thinking? Like, what am I doing with my life? Nobody knows. Oh well. Better Than Sex mascara is my favorite mascara, if you didn't already know that. Now I feel like, let's just go like that. Makes my viewing a lot easier when I have the lamp like this, but I'm not sure how you guys are gonna like it. You'll have to let me know down below if it looks better like this or if it looks better like that, which I think this. I do look a little like ghostly, but I look a little ghostly in real life, so it makes sense. I really like the way this turned out. Okay, that is the finished look, you guys. I really, really like this. Like I said, there is quite a bit of fallout with that one shade over there, but nothing that I'm not willing to overlook for the cuteness of this palette. And look, it's like, it's pretty. Like, bring you guys closer. It just blended really easily, and it's like, it's an effortless look. It's a quick little 5-minute, I guess it's been 13, but I talk a lot. A quick little 5-minute look. You can throw this in your purse, great for travel. Super cute. Like, tell me if you are in like your friend group and you all are just like fixing your makeup and you pull this out, somebody's not gonna be like, oh my god, that's adorable, because I would. But yeah, that's my thoughts on this. I really like it. I recommend it. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I will let you guys know in a future video how much lasting power it has. We're gonna spritz the face first though. Whew, okay. Ugh, I hate the way that tastes. But yeah, you guys have to let me know down below if you've tried this and what your thoughts on it are. Other than the fact that it's pretty kickbacky and that one Bow Wow shade, I love it and have no other complaints. So, adorbs. And that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like this video before you go if you want to see future reviews from me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And you can also hit that little notification bell if you want to. Probably doesn't work, but you know, do it anyway. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.